Hey, what's up everyone? Thank you for stopping by to watch another detailing video. My name is Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, and today we're going to be talking about my packages and my pricing.
All right, Tony, what's your first package you offer?
So my entry-level package is the mini detail. That starts at $80 for cars. That includes a detailed foam wash, a mini interior detail, and spray wax. And then...
wait, do you charge more for SUVs and bigger vehicles?
Yes.
How much?
So SUVs and trucks are usually like $100. If they're lifted or extra dirty or anything like that, it's $120, or if it's a dually. And it could be higher than $120 because there's add-on fees like pet hair or stuff like that. But for the most part, it ranges from $80 to $120.
Has anybody ever wanted a mini detail and then you go and it's like super dirty and you're like, no, this needs a full detail right here?
All the time, but sometimes they don't want to upgrade, so we'll just take care of as much as we can.
Wait, how do you manage that? For example, the customer's expectations.
You just got to let them know ahead of time, like, this isn't going to be perfect, but we'll vacuum as much as we can and wipe down as much as we can during for that time frame that we are supposed to be there.
So what is the time frame?
It's about an hour and a half for cars, and then 2.5 hours for trucks and SUVs.
Have you ever quoted someone that and then it took you longer?
It happens a lot, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Now, do you charge the customer or do you just bite the bullet?
I just usually bite the bullet.
Yeah.
Have him be happy, and that's it.
That's what's up. So, what's the next package you offer, Tony?
That would be our level 1, which is our protection package. That'd be detailed foam wash, mini interior detail, spray or not spray wax, clay treatment, iron removal, and then a sealant, and also a signature shine paste wax. And so that's supposed to last anywhere around from 6 to 10 months, depending on where the vehicle's stored and if it's daily driven or not. And that starts at $200 for cars, and it goes all the way up to like $250 for trucks and SUVs.
How long does that usually take you?
Around 3 to 4 hours for cars, almost 5 hours for trucks and SUVs.
Damn, that's
a while.
That's a long time, man.
Yeah.
But it's only you doing it right now, right?
Yeah, when it's by myself, that's the time frame. When it's with someone else, we can knock them out quicker, probably around 2.5, 3 hours.
What's next?
It'd be our level 2 package, which is our paint enhancement package. So that includes everything the level 1 includes, plus a one-step correction, which removes 50% or more of all swirls and defects. And that's about it for that one.
How much?
That one starts at $500, and it goes all the way up to like $600.
All right. And then your next package?
And new vehicle protection package. So that's basically the level 2, but with the freaking engine bay detail and a 3-year ceramic coating. And that one starts at $950. Our last package is the level 3, full paint correction and coating. So that's full wash, full prep, mini interior, engine bay, full correction, removing 95% or more of all defects and swirls, and then adding a layer of ceramic coating. In that package, you can change what year coating you want. There's 3, 5, and 7, and that starts at $1,450. And it can range over $2,000 depending on the vehicle, size, condition, and coating.
All right, so right now we're doing a Mustang?
Yeah, Mustang GT, level 3 right now.
Level 3. But you said the price was only $1,450.
Yep.
They're paying $1,600.
Yep.
What was the upsell?
The drive. It's about a 1 hour drive here and an hour drive back down, and it's a 2-day job. So travel fees.
Hey, you got charged because of the gas, Tony.
Yeah.
Dang. How long did it take you to come up with these packages? Are these what you started with?
No, I actually took a training last year in 2020, Shine Supply training, and I kind of based my packages off of theirs, offering the same type of service and similar type of pricing. I basically got it from them, most of it.
What did you have before? Way different packages or similar?
They were kind of similar. It was just the pricing was all over the place, and I didn't really have them organized. They're kind of like scrambled. I kind of had too many packages. I had to come back down, make it more simple for the customers to see what I offer, more direct to the point now, before there's too many variations.
Got it. And right now, where you're at in your business, which packages do you get more often?
Mostly mini details and level 1s, and then new vehicle protection package. Those are like the top 3 that are usually doing a lot of.
Which ones do you like?
New vehicle protection package probably like the biggest satisfaction one for me and the client, because it's like the biggest turnaround, biggest results.
Do you plan on adding any more packages, or you think you're set right now?
For now, I think I'm set with the packages that I have. If the client wants something more, we offer add-ons, and then we'll just add it on to the package. Like we offer headlight restorations, trim restoration, engine bay details that can be added on, polishing wheels, ceramic coating windows, ceramic coating interiors, a bunch of add-ons.
Oh, okay. So pretty much what the customer wants.
Yeah.
And if you could do it, you just
add it on.
Got you.
Yep. Thank you guys for watching my detailing video. I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch here in San Bernardino, California. If you guys like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.